Okay, guys. So, hi, everyone. I wonder if people are still joining. So, how many do we have in the thing? Yes, please test your microphones, everyone. I see like, yes, I see like we seem to have most. And please add your name because I see a few fellow Jitsa. I don't know who is everyone. So please, I give you like a moment to test your microphone and talk with each other, and please add your names, okay? Before we start. Thank you.
Hi, this is Abhinav. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Abhinav.
Yeah, good.
Please talk to each other, guys. Like, let's be a community.
Yep. Hi, everyone. I won't be here for long. I have another conference call at 4, so I'll listen.
Who is it?
Wherever I can. This is Yulin here.
Yulin. Ah, great, great. Hi. Good. So yeah, so I please add your names. I see most have done that, and let me quickly get the meeting notes out before we officially start here as well. Okay. Okay.
Hello,
So I think we're all ready. Then, by the way, we're streaming this on YouTube, but it's an experiment. So let's see how it works. Okay. So. Okay, so hi everyone. This is another YouTube hangout here on Jitsi, the open source solution with the community in Google Summer of Code, many mentors, many students, and anyone else joining this call here today, where we try to define the next steps in the open event and Eventiate projects together with our students in Google Summer of Code. So thanks a lot for joining us here. And I would like to start to make a short introduction round. At first, like I see like some mentors are joining us here. So this is great. If you haven't done so yet, please add your name into the portal. There's also a chat option here on the bottom left that you can try out if your sound or something is not working or you want to ask a question and when somebody's talking. So please feel free to do that. Please try to switch off your microphone when you're not talking. So I think these are the basic rules. And we have some meeting notes here, which I'm copying here into the chat, which you can access. Please see the meeting notes here. They are a document that we work on together. So after you said something or when you say something, please fill in your points. So anyone who cannot be here the whole time or couldn't join us at this call can have a look later at the meeting notes and yeah, learn about what was going on here. By the way, my name is Mario. I'm starting with myself. So I'm one of the founders of the Open Event Project. I'm also like one of the founders of FOSS Asia. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Yeah, so let's start with a short introduction round here. We are still getting to know each other in this talk. If you have the chance, please switch on your microphone, of course, but also your video, so we can see who's talking. And when we meet you, or if we meet you in real life, we know, cool, we work together on this project. Okay, so Yulin, do you want to start with a short introduction? You are one of the mentors in Google Summer of Code, and so just a few sentences about yourself, where you are based, and what you're usually doing.
Yeah. Okay, sure. My name is Julin. I'm a software engineer, predominantly on C. Currently also learning on Python as well. So based in Singapore. And yep, I'm volunteering as a mentor for the Google Summer of Code.
Okay, thanks a lot for joining. I'm not sure, like, is there any other mentor here in this call? I know, like, some people have to work, but we can share the information later. I think Ricky might be joining us later as well. He said he will join, but maybe he's busy at the moment. Okay, so no problem. Thanks very much. And let's make a round here with the students. So I see the fellow Jitsa is the first one. Please add, like, we have like fellow Jitsa. So please, guys, add your name so we can know who you are, and add your names into the participants of the notice of the meeting notes. Yeah. So please, Ritika, could you start? And then we can just follow the on the right-hand side the list. Ritika, could you give us a short intro about yourself and what you're working on in GSOC?
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, I'm Ritika Motwani. I'm currently working on Open Event Frontend. That is my project for GSOC. And basically right now I'm working on the API integrations of the server and improving the user interface. Thank you. That's all.
Yes, so let's continue. Like on the right-hand side, you guys see the list of participants. So the next one is Pradeep. Please feel free to continue independently.
Hi, I am Pradeep, and I am from IIIT Allahabad. And this GSOC I am working on Open Event Frontend, and I have so now we are working on frontend, and we have started with the integration of the APIs with the frontend, and we hope to go with it.
Max, please go on. Like you guys just go on independently. Here on the right-hand side, you see the list, please. So after Max is Mayank. Mayank is I don't know, fellow Jitsa. Please add your name. Okay, thank you.
Can you?
We could hear you briefly, but it sounds like there's a sound. Try again. Sound issue.
Okay, maybe now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Max, I'm Hamburg. And that's all.
No, Max, it's not working. Please try to fix the sound issues. I think it was an issue last time as well. Try to fix it so we can communicate. Thank you. So we're just moving to the next one. Mayank. Oh. We can't hear you. Okay, so who's the next one after Mayank? Who's the next one? This person here, fellow Jitsa. Who's the next one? Guys, try to add your name. I think we still have to learn how to use this. So this portal. Please, everyone, type in your name. Okay, so we're going to Saurav. Saurav.
Hello everyone, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I'm Saurav. I'm a second year undergraduate in computer science engineering at Indian Institute of Technology, Patna. I'm mainly working on the Open Event Server, Open Event Organizer app, as well as the Open Event Frontend. And
Okay.
lately I've been integrating the server. I've been fixing bugs in the server and developing new features in the organizer app. Thank you.
Okay, great, thank you. And the next one is Ayush.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Ayush. I will be working on OpenEvent Web App this GSOC. So the main goal of GSOC this year is integrating OpenEvent Web App as a microservice in Eventia. Thank you.
Okay, great. And we have Nikit.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikit Bhandari and I'm a second year computer science undergraduate and I'm currently working on the Open Event Android app, and currently we are fixing major bugs that are there in the app and focusing on UI improvements. So, thank you.
Okay, great. And so we have a few people who haven't spoken yet, who didn't have an introduction yet.
Hello everyone, this is Harsima from NIT Surat. I am working on Open Event Android part. Right now I'm focusing on implementing features supported by the API and fixing some minor bugs.
Yeah, it seems like there's some feedback or some issues with your microphone. Please test this for next time as well. Difficult to hear, and please type in the text on the left so we know what you just said. And we have a few other people who haven't spoken up yet. Who else is here on the line? Who else hasn't? Priyanshu, I think you didn't introduce yourself yet. Priyanshu, can't hear you. Okay. So, okay, guys. So we need to fix these issues. So. Please add your names to the participants list, everyone, into the document. Priyanshu, I think microphone is not working. Okay, guys, so it's not so useful to have a talk and to schedule a talk if your microphones are not working or if your computer is not working also. I mean, I think we already had a call before and you had a chance to do this. So, even the default mic is not working. Yes, sure. But I'm right now in Germany. Next week, I will be in Singapore. I will not be able to debug your guys' microphone or your computers. I think you are techies enough to take care of this. So, okay, guys. So let's have a real call soon again. And please type in everything and try to solve your problem. Otherwise, these meetings don't make sense. I mean, yeah, really, there are lots of explanation why things don't work, but I can't solve this for you. You have to solve this yourself is a typical thing. So 2018, we should be able to make this happen. Okay, thanks a lot. So we're going now through the agenda. Here's the proposal for the agenda. And please openly say what you think. Don't just let me talk alone. Butt in if you have any feedback. If there's a question and say no. Or yes, or whatever, just quickly butt it in. This is the advantage of voice and video talk. So update on project development of last week. What is missing to make Open Event version 2 happen? And goals for upcoming week. Is a pretty small and straightforward agenda, but if we have everyone talking, we will surely take the rest of the time. Is there anything else you would like to add to this agenda? Please go into the document and have a look. So is there anything else you would like to add? So feel free to say no if you don't want to add anything, so we can have a conversation here. Ritika, is there anything you want to add? Harsima, Saurabh, is there anything you want to add?
No, nothing. This is enough, I think.
Okay, Mayank or somebody, guys.
No, sir.
So it's all good, yeah? Good. Okay, awesome. So then we do this. I don't know if you have heard from other students how we do this in other projects a bit more lively. And I hope we can also get this here, is an update on the development of each day last week. And I think we just like take the way like people listed it here in their document. So we just follow this this development here, and you give us an update about what happened last week. You don't talk so much about what's happening next, because that's the next point. Right now, you tell us what happened last week, so we get an overview where we are standing on open event development at the moment. So please, Saurav Tiwari, please start and give us a short overview.
Over the last week, we have mainly focused on fixing the existing bugs in the version 1 only. So we haven't yet developed anything. We haven't yet moved in the direction of version 2. But when I started contributing to the Open Event server, we had a lot of bugs in the Open Event server in a various mainly on fixing those bugs rather than moving towards version 2. That's been my agenda so far for the coding period.
Okay, so so thanks for helping. So cool. Please add what you did, like fixing existing bugs, okay, and on which repository you did that or whatever, into the project list here, into the meeting notes. Yeah, Saurav, please
Sure.
do that. Talk about yourself, like, right? So I can always talk about the whole world, but the question here is, what did you do specifically? So is there anything you would like to add?
Yeah, I mean, in the organizer app, I added a custom view, which would help us move towards the Android architecture components and data binding. In the server, I added addition, so that we add the default values for every post request before we actually validate its schema, and fixed other several other endpoints as well, which were minor bugs.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. So then we're moving to the next person. Mayank Vaidya, please. Mayank. Okay, Yulin, thanks for joining us. Have a good day. Oh, I think Yulin already left. Okay, good. But Mayank, sorry, mic isn't working. Okay, so yes, I have edited in the chat. Okay, so but like if we want to have a chat, we can actually go on the chat, the Jitter chat, the whole month. So guys, if you can't make it able, I don't know how we can run this project if like so many people's project not working. So I think we're going to Pradeep then, Pradeep Gangwar. So Mayank, please edit into the meeting notes, and I will read it out then, but it's really boring to talk myself, because if I talk myself, I can just stay here in my home and look in the mirror and talk to myself, guys.
Hi, can you hear me?
Pradeep, yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, so currently I am working on the ticketing API, integrating the ticketing API.
Can you speak up a bit? It's not so loud.
Okay. So currently I am working on the ticketing API. It means integrating the ticketing API to the front end. And
ticketing API, is it?
Yes.
Okay, please speak up and clearly. Can't hear so clearly here.
Okay, and it means in the process of the.
Closer to the microphone.
Yeah. What?
Not really difference. Okay.
Okay, so in the process of the means integration of the ticketing API to the front end, I encountered some small bugs. So I fixed those bugs. Like in the call for the speakers route, there was some problem. So I fixed that problem, and I added some test to the front end, and also there are some small bugs that I fixed in the past few days.
So thanks a lot. I can't hear you so well, but like I heard you solved something. So this is great. Please edit and please fix your microphone next time, or like speak up a little bit. I think you guys are strong Indian guys, so you can like really talk loudly into the microphone. So not sure what's the issue. Okay, so let's move to the next person. So there is a list on Pradeep. Are you on the meeting notes? Can you see that your name is next on the meeting notes? So please, guys, look at whose name is next and prepare. Pradeep Gangwal.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pradeep, are you there?
Yes, I think I have spoken.
Pradeep? Okay, so Max,
Yes,
next try with you. Max, next try with you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Oh, finally. Okay. I've been working mainly on like assessing the issue list, because I'm not like that familiar with the version 1, version 2, what's working, what's not working. So I've been looking into that. I've been mainly like testing and looking for 500 issues and sorting out issues that don't belong to the backend but to the front end. And I've been then looking into the list of the version 2, what endpoints have to be done, Google Sheet. Yeah, and I've been working on that so far.
Okay, and you have been fixing some issues for the FOSS Asia project setups.
Yeah, quite a lot.
What we work together, right? So it's not directly open event, but it's like helpful for the community, correct?
Yeah, a lot of PHP, yes.
Yeah, okay. Good, Max, please add add a few points here into the list, into the meeting notes as well. And the next one is Ritika. Thank you, Max. Ritika.
Hi. So I did solve the existing bugs. I tried to remove the existing bugs in OpenEvent frontend. Then I created a pull request for integrating the speakers API, which is not yet implemented. And the table for speakers is yet a simple table, not an Ember table. So I converted it in a model Ember table, in a table for Embers, used in Ember. And then the editing route for the sessions is yet not completed. So I created a pull request for that.
Okay. Thank you very much. And that sounds good. So we're moving to the next person. I'm just like always confused. You guys don't have a camera or something, because I can't really tell who's actually talking. Can't see it so quickly. So maybe switch on your cam when you're talking, please. Okay. So who's next? Saurabh. Saurabh, can you give us an update, please? Saurabh, can you please tell us? Saurabh, can't hear you. Okay, so hi Saptak, I see that you joined the meeting. We just had like Yuelin here also helping a bit. Do you want to butt in? Anything you would like to say? Okay. Good. I think we have to close this meeting here right now, because it doesn't make sense that I talk so much. This is your time. This is your meeting where you should like have a chance to present your project, to present what you did, to show that you actually do awesome work in GSOC, and you got the chance. Yes. Hello. Thank you. You got the chance. Thank you. I'm talking now. You got the chance to present your project, to present why you are a GSOC student, why you are in this great program of Google. So as we are not able to run this meeting here right now due to technical issues, which aren't appearing on that level in other chats, I'm closing this meeting here now, and I will give you a chance for half an hour. We try again in half an hour to have this meeting again. So you have half an hour now to solve your issues, and we will then come back to this meeting in half an hour. So if you're not able to solve an issue, to solve your issues, I think we need to seriously think what to do. I can't give support around the world to plug in a microphone or something like that. You're old enough, you're techies, you're Google Summer of Code students, you're developers, you're younger than me. You should understand much better how to use tech than anyone else. Things happen, but not on this level, guys. I don't know why like so many people have a problem. Please try your cam, your phone, everything, and we continue in half an hour. So that means we meet again here at 10:30. Max, please, I understood that you had an appointment later. Please add the notes on what you're planning to do next with in Google Summer of Code with Open Event. Add some specifics. Please add like some issues or like some specific areas you would like to work on. Okay, thank you very much. Are there any questions before we close this meeting and come back in half an hour now?
Yeah, Mario, can I present my work right now?
No, we're closing this meeting now. It's not suitable for me to have on and off, like to wait, like and so on. It's not. We can't have a meeting in that way. I want you guys to get together as a community, as a team, and ensure that everyone's video and sound is working. Otherwise, it's useless to have a video and sound meeting. I understand some people, but like I don't see now, like I only see Saurav, who's like able to make things happen. Maybe Saurav, you can help other people to get this going. Otherwise, like it doesn't make sense to make a meeting. Okay, so I give you half an hour. We will start again at 10:30. Are there any questions about this? I mean, 10:30 European time, which is when in Indian time? 10:30 is like 2 p.m. Indian time. We will come back, and I hope everyone can have a working system by then. 2 p.m. Indian time, we're coming back. Okay? Thank you very much.